Hello friends, good morning. I'm Dr. Shishir Agarwal and today we are celebrating World Child Labour Day. Today is 12th of June 2020 and I have written down few quotations and I've read few quotations and I would like to share those words of wisdom against child labour today. Please listen to it, and if you would like to share it, you can share it with your friends. A child is meant to learn, not to earn. A child is your heart, not born to push your cart. A school should be their only workplace. Buildings are built by big hands, not by small hands, not by tiny hands. Cheap labor today leads to uneducated, inefficient workplace tomorrow. Child labor is evolution. Stop it. Stop child labor. Child labor brings illiteracy, whereas child education brings literacy. Child labor brings illiteracy, whereas child education brings literacy. Child labor is a social crime. Every child has a right to shine. Child labor is a violation, and you should concentrate on education. Child labor is against nature. A child should always go to school, study and play. A child labor is an illegal act as per the Constitution of India as well. If you see anywhere anybody promoting child labor, please raise your hand against it. Child labor is child abuse for which you have no excuse. Child labor is devastation. They should concentrate on education. Child labor is inhumane. Child labor is plain insane. Child labor is very tough. Don't make their future rough. Child labor isn't the best, so give them a break and let them have some rest. Child labor perpetuates poverty, unemployment, illiteracy, population growth and other social problems. It is in our hands to stop child labor and stop unemployment, illiteracy and population growth. Child hands are too small for work. They look good holding a pencil. Child's mind is very fast. Let them make it very vast. Childhood is for learning and adulthood is for earning. Children are not doing fine if they are in a factory line. Children are not made of wood but of blood and flesh. Stop child labor. Children are precious. Let them be children, not workers. Children deserve holding books, not bricks. Please stop child labor. Children have their whole lives to work a job. They have only a few years to be a child, to enjoy their childhood. Let them enjoy their few precious years of their childhood. Please stop child labor. Children in pain can never gain. Children just aren't prepared for hours of working. Children labor is severe. Don't make them share a tear. Children should be given full time to enjoy their childhood and study in school, play a lot of outdoor games, enjoy the variety of food and fruits, and enjoy their childhood to the maximum. Children should be reading books, not making books or not binding them. Books are meant to be read by children, not to be made by children. Children should fill their minds instead of filling their pockets. It is very important. They should be filling their minds with knowledge instead of filling their pockets with the child labor. Children who work a job lose precious time in their lives which is never going to come back. Don't ask children to take the tool. Instead, send them to school. Don't be a fart. Give everybody a good start. Don't be blind towards your child. Let them study and survive for a better future. Don't be cruel and stop your kids to burn fuel. Don't be greedy, send your children to school. Don't be wild, don't force your work on your child. Don't force your child for a child labor or to work. Force him, you can always guide him to study, but not force him to work. Don't let your kids get wage at their very little age. Don't be wild, only give education to your child. Educate childhood will ensure economic development. If your children are educated, it will always ensure economic development and for the betterment of each and every country in the world. Education is awareness, the key to curbing the surge of a child labor. Education is our right. Stop child labor is our fight. So we have to fight together to stop child labor, and education is a right of each and every children born. Let us give them their right to study. Enough is enough. Stop child labor should be our slogan with all of us. Eradicate child labor and aspire for a better future. Every child deserves a better life. Help them to help one. Help each and every child to have a good life, educated life, happy life, worthy life. Feeding a child at school is such a simple thing, but it works like miracles. It's like a God-gifted thing. For a better nation, stop child exploration. If you want the nation to progress, to proceed, stop child exploration. Give your child a pencil, but not to wash a utensil. Give your children education by fighting with child labor violation. Give your kids a good education through child labor prevention. How the future will be fine if you send your kids to the factory line. It is shame, it is disgrace to have kids work in the workplace rather than going to the school. School is the right place for each and every children to be at their tender age. Kids are pillar of each and every nation in the world. Send them to get an education. Stop child labor. Kids are too small. Don't make them do all. Kids deserve to be happy, healthy, and safe, and they look best when they are smiling. Let children be children, not child laborers. Let them earn knowledge, not money. Let us sacrifice our today so that our children can have a better tomorrow. Life of little ones is destroyed when child labor is employed. So please always don't keep a child labor at your place, and don't ever promote anybody else to keep a child labor at their place. Always send them to school, help them to go to school. Never support a child labor. Children needs your favor. Nurture the child for future. Stop child labor. Only the worst thief would steal someone's childhood. This is a very powerful phrase. Only the worst thief will steal the future of a child by stealing their childhood. Never steal their childhood. Give them the best childhood they can get. Prevent child labor. It forks the world from a better future. Prohibit child to go to workplace. Child labor to school need to replace. We have to fight against it, and it should be replaced, and each and every child should be sent to school. Raise your hand to get child labor banned. Always raise your hand to get child labor banned. Never raise your hand to push a child to go to become a child labor. Say yes to quality education against the child labor violation. Send your kids to classes, but not to wash the tea glasses. Show a child love and care. Child labor is just not fair. Small hands can handle a pen better. Some girls cannot go to school because of child labor and child trafficking. Please stop them. Stop being greedy. Help a child needy. Raise your voice against child labor. Stop child labor and give them the privilege to stand forward in the future generation and become a better human being, a well-educated human being, a responsible person of the society. If they are educated, the amount of crime will also reduce. An educated person never does a crime, but an uneducated person is always provoked towards crime. The age of learning is childhood. Teach your neighbor to stop child labor. Take the child's favor to stop child labor. The child cries only to the needs but smiles always to thanks. If a child is smiling you back, if you have gifted him something, if you have given him something, that is a way of child thanking you. The world revolves around the children. Children's future revolves around education. So please stop child labor. There is no reason, there is no excuse. Child labor is a child abuse. Please stop child abuse. These children should be seen and heard. To have them working as absurd. Today's children are tomorrow's future. Understand your child's pain and give him a chance of education to gain knowledge and wisdom. Understand your responsibility and free your children to study. We should ban child labor by giving kids our favor. Work is for adults, play and education is for children. So we should always allow our children to play a lot of outdoor games and to get a lot of education. You have the power to create the better future and treat your children well. With this, I would like to finish my talk on child labor today. Today is 12th of June. Wish you all a happy Child Labor's Day. Please encourage people to send their children to school to get the best education. Children are the future of society, of the country, of the world. Stop child labor. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, you can share it with others. Have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye-bye.